Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best antenna towers is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components of our communication infrastructure, silently working behind the scenes to connect us globally. From the towering structures that broadcast our favorite television shows to the smaller antennas facilitating our mobile phone calls, these structures play a vital role in our daily lives, and understanding their functionality and selection is crucial for ensuring reliable communication. Number 5. Rohn 25 Series 40-foot Tower. This is the Rohn 25 Series 40-foot basic tower, a robust and reliable communication tower solution. It's perfect for various applications needing a strong and dependable structure. The kit includes 3 10-foot sections and one 9-foot 9-inch top section. Note that the final assembled height might be slightly less due to ground embedding. It boasts double-bolted joints for exceptional sturdiness and dependability. This ensures a secure and long-lasting tower structure. It features 1:1/4 OD, 16-gauge legs with 5/16 OD solid bracing. The entire structure is hot-dipped galvanized for superior corrosion resistance. All necessary nuts and bolts are included with each section for convenient assembly. The 25AG2 top section even has an integrated mounting pipe. Remember that professional installation is required for this tower. Please ensure your contact information is up to date when ordering. This tower kit ships via freight only. Please keep this in mind when planning your project. What we like. It boasts an impressive height, perfect for reaching optimal signal strength. The double-bolted joints ensure exceptional sturdiness and dependability. If you need a tall, robust tower for a strong signal, this is the one for you. What people say. All items pictured in the ad were received as expected. I found the bolts in the legs of the tower sections as indicated online. Tracking information was provided and updates were put into the system so that I could track shipping progress. The tower arrived in my city on the first day of the anticipated window provided by Amazon. It was delivered the next day to my house. I weighed each section and they are the weight advertised by Rohn, which seems to confirm the tower is a genuine Rohn tower. All bolts nuts present and accounted for. The thing is rock solid, no wobble at all. Number 4. Rohn TRT-60 Tripod Tower. This is the Rohn TRT-60 Tripod Roof Tower, a sturdy and versatile solution for your antenna needs. It's ready to use right out of the box. Standing at 5 feet tall, it comes fully assembled for your convenience. Setup is quick and easy. It features strong tubular legs and a convenient snap-out design for easy transport and storage. It's built to last. With universal mast clamps, it can mount masts up to 1 to 3/4 inches in diameter. It's compatible with a wide range of equipment. The adjustable swivel feet adapt to almost any roof pitch, ensuring a secure and stable installation. It's designed for a variety of roof types. Installation is a breeze. It quickly bolts onto the surface using up to 1/4 diameter fasteners. Get it set up in minutes. Please remember that mast and roof anchor hardware are not included. You will need to source these separately. This tower is proudly made in the USA, ensuring high quality and durability. You can trust in its construction. What we like. This one is compact and incredibly easy to assemble. Its universal mast clamps make it compatible with various masts. If you're looking for a simple, quick solution for roof mounting, this is your best bet. What people say. It is very stable. This tower works well. Great product. Very sturdy. No antenna disruption whatsoever. Number 3. Rohn 25G Series 30-foot Tower Kit. This kit provides a sturdy and dependable tower solution for your needs. It's easy to assemble and built to last. It features double-bolted joints, ensuring superior strength and reliability. This is the best method for joining tower sections. It's constructed from 1:1/4 OD, 16-gauge legs and 5/16 OD solid bracing. Everything is hot-dipped galvanized for superior corrosion resistance. Each section comes with all the necessary nuts and bolts for quick and straightforward assembly. No extra parts needed. The 25AG2 top section features a tapered design and integrated mounting pipe for a clean, professional finish. It's ready for your equipment. Please note that this tower kit ships via freight only. Ensure your contact information is up to date on your order. For optimal performance and safety, professional installation is recommended. Consult the Rohn 25G guides for specifications and requirements. What we like. It offers a good balance of height and ease of installation. The double-bolted joints and galvanized coating ensure durability. If you need a reliable mid-height tower, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Stainless steel and galvanized dipped for long-lasting durability. It is well built, it held up well through its first wind storm in Wyoming. Follow directions when installing it. Number 2. Rohn 25SS040 Tower. This is the Rohn 25SS040, a robust and reliable tower solution for your needs. It's designed for strength and longevity, making it ideal for various applications. It boasts double-bolted joints, ensuring superior sturdiness and dependability. This superior design guarantees a secure and long-lasting structure. The kit includes 3 10-foot sections, one 9 feet 9 inches top section, a 5 base for concrete embedding, an anti-climb warning sign kit, and all necessary specifications. Everything you need is right here. It's constructed with 1:1/4 OD, 16-gauge legs and 5/16 OD solid bracing. The hot-dipped galvanized finish provides superior corrosion resistance for years of reliable service. Each section comes with all the necessary nuts and bolts for straightforward assembly. However, professional installation is always recommended for optimal safety and performance. The top section features a tapered design and an integrated mounting pipe, simplifying installation and providing a clean, professional finish. Its dimensions are clearly shown in the images. This tower is shipped via freight only. Please ensure your contact information is up to date to avoid any delays in delivery. What we like. This self-supporting tower provides excellent stability and security. The anti-climb warning system adds an extra layer of safety. If you prioritize safety and stability in a tall tower, then this is the one for you. What people say. 40-foot tall Rohn tower, well made. I believe it will last me a lifetime. Number 1. Rohn 25G Series 70-foot tower kit. This kit provides everything you need for a sturdy and dependable tower. It's perfect for various applications, offering excellent stability and longevity. It features double-bolted joints, ensuring superior strength and reliability. This is the best method for joining tower sections. The tower is completely hot-dipped galvanized after fabrication for superior corrosion resistance. This ensures long-lasting performance in various weather conditions. Each section includes all necessary nuts and bolts for simple assembly. This makes setup convenient and efficient. The 25AG2 top section features a tapered design and integrated mounting pipe for easy installation of additional equipment. It's designed for seamless integration. Please note that this tower kit ships via freight only. Ensure your contact information is up to date on your order for smooth delivery. For optimal performance and safety, professional installation of this tower is recommended. Consult the Rohn 25G guides for specifications and installation requirements. What we like. It's the tallest option, providing maximum reach for your antenna. The robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you need the ultimate height for superior signal coverage, this tower is for you. What people say. It now has a Starlink dish on top, above all the trees I'm sitting under and a ham antenna at the 50-foot level, and I'm happy with the results. Most of the bolt holes had some mismatch too and needed to be reamed out with a drill bit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.